Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. You guys, I am so excited about this video. I have some roses I'm going to be unboxing. I am so excited about it. So a company called Rose Forever New York reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review their products. And so they let me choose the assortment I wanted. I got to choose the color of the box. There's so many options on their website. What it is, it's right here. I haven't unboxed it yet because I want to unbox it with you guys. So what it is these roses last a year or more in here. So they're meant to last at least a year, and they do not have to be watered, which is perfect for me because I sometimes I don't have the biggest green thumb, you guys. So the fact that I can't wrap my brain around how they do this, but it is beautiful. I've seen the arrangements online. I've seen other YouTube channels unbox these before, and they are stunning, absolutely stunning. And you know what? I can actually smell the roses inside this box, and I have not even opened it yet. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this is going to be amazing. So again, thank you to Rose Forever New York for reaching out to me and sending these to me. I really do appreciate it. And you know what I'm going to do before I unbox these beautiful, beautiful flowers, I can't wait for you guys to see what color I chose and that type of thing. Although it might be my thumbnail. You might see it before I'm talking here. But I want to talk a little bit more about their website to show you all the variety. They have so much variety. So let's go over to the website really quick, and then we'll come back here and I'm going to open this up and unbox it with you guys. Okay, so let's head on over to the Rose Forever website. So here we are. Can you believe, oh my gosh, you guys, this is all roses on here that will last a year. I am a huge fan of flowers, like a huge fan of flowers. I love them for gifting, for putting in my house. I have so many I just love the look of fresh cut flowers. And so as we're going through this website, I'm going to let you know they have a coupon code, which I'll also include in my description box below me, that if you use the code MESARASTARR25, it gets $25 off your purchase on the Rose Forever New York website. So that coupon is good for 30 days from the day I'm posting this video. So it's only good for 30 days from the day that, like I said, that this video is posted, but it will save you $25 off. So another key point I want to mention is that this brand, the Rose Forever New York, is also based in New York, okay? And they started this company, they launched it in 2019. And so their roses will last for a year, and they look as if they are freshly picked, but they will remain looking like that for a year. And they use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are actually handcrafted by professional flowers artisans, which is really lovely. So they're like a work of art, you know what I mean? And the materials that they use to cover the boxes are vegan. Even the pink suede and the black velvet ones are also vegan. They preserve the roses in special colors like the violet, black, royal blue. They're created through a natural process of pigmentation to keep the rich, intense shade and are allergen free. So that's amazing. As you can see on this website, there's also enormous choice of colors for the roses, and different shape boxes and materials that you can choose from. So there's a lot of customization that you can do. And you know, it's just, like I said, so many choices: square, circle shape, or round shape. There's the crystal box, heart shape, and marble shaped or marble color boxes. So really the sky's the limit in choosing the assortment and the box style that you like to choose from. So let's head on over to now unboxing this gorgeous bouquet they sent me. So here we go. I have been so anxiously awaiting for this to arrive on my doorstep. I literally have been counting down the days because I want to mention another thing about me. When I was in third grade, I think it was about second or third grade, I was in a play, and I was given a different name for my character. And I was with my best friend. I actually did the play with her. It was really cute. It was fun. I was kind of like the director of the play for our school. for our classroom. And so she had a name and it was Rose. And I said, can we switch names? I really love the name Rose. And so even you guys from that age, I've always loved the name Rose. I've loved roses. I've loved flowers. I love, like I said, receiving them, giving them. I think that, and each color of roses has symbolic meaning to it. And I feel like they're just very, they're just stunning. Roses are so beautiful. They're so beautiful and they smell amazing. So without further ado, let me go ahead and open this up and let's see it in person, what I chose. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, here we go. So I'm just unboxing it now. Again, there's so many different options and sizes of boxes. So here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, here we go. Here's the moment. Okay, here it looks like that. Okay, and then, oh my gosh. Okay, so then it looks like this. It's in like a hat box type thing. Let me go ahead and pull this out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let me go ahead and take it out of the plastic wrap. Oh, it's so pretty. So it is velvet, you guys. It's all velvet. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. I can't even take the plastic wrap off because I'm so excited. Okay, so here we have the Rose Forever New York. Their company name right there in the front, right there. And I ordered the 16 count. So I believe there's the 36 count, 16 count, and 9 count. Here we go, you guys. Let me go ahead and open it. I'll open it. I'll lift the lid like this so we can see it together. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at them. Oh, what? You guys, they smell just like, I mean, they're roses, but oh my gosh. And they feel just like, I mean, they're roses. Like, I cannot believe. Oh, I'm in love with these. Oh my gosh. Let me take these glasses off and get a closer view. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I'm like touching them because they're real roses and I cannot believe they're real. Like okay, let me show you guys this a little closer. Look at that. Aren't they so rich? That red is the perfect shade for roses. And oh my gosh, and they smell like roses. I cannot believe this. Oh, I just want to keep like touching them. They have that like silkiness. I mean, they're real roses. I want to make sure I keep saying that because it is like amazing that these last a year. Like these are going to last me a year, you guys. A year. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I just want to touch them again because they're very silky. Just like, when you feel the rose petals, they have that kind of like silkiness to it. This has all of the detail that, I mean, it is definitely, and they picked the cream of the crop. I mean, these are beautiful, opened, perfect roses. This is called the passion size. So the size they sent me, isn't that cute? Is called the passion size. You guys, again, this comes in a bunch of different colors. I think there's like 17 or 18-ish colors. And so there was like pink, white, orange, black, I think purple, lavender. I mean, there's just so many colors, like really a great color choices. I'm impressed, thoroughly impressed with the amount of color choices as well for these flowers. So it's like I said, they picked, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I have these. They're so pretty, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go in a little closer so you can see them again, a little bit closer with the detail. That concludes my review video of the Rose Forever New York roses. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and close this video, but I'm going to put all of the, again, helpful info in the description box below me, including again that coupon MESARASTARR 25 that will take $25 off your order on their website. It's good for 30 days from the day I post this video, and then it expires. So it's 30 days from the first day I post this video. And yeah, you guys, have fun shopping on the website. We'd love to hear if you've ordered from them before. And I'm so excited that these are going to be lasting me a year, you guys. A year. I'm just going to have this gorgeous gorgeous bouquet with me. Like, it's amazing. So anyways, again, thank you to Rose Forever New York, and thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. So till next time, take care, and God bless you always, my friends. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye for now.